Hello guys, this is the project we're working on. ByteXperience Shomolu, Lagos, Nigeria. So you can go through the description, read what is needed of it to be done, and then make the select images to be used. Then you come here and make sure you log in with your OSM account created. So the same account. So when you're logged in, it will give you the access to contribute. So you're not logged in, you won't be able to contribute. So what you need to do is to click on contribute, and then you see that several tasks map have been tasked. Go through the legend to see what all of them means. So this white one means yet to be mapped. So click on any part you want to work on. Click on ID editor you're working with now. Click map task. Then you see it opens up. So it's advised that you use a mouse so to be easier for you. So you zoom in to these buildings. Some of them have been mapped already. Don't tamper with anyone that have been mapped. So just go to the ones that are not yet been mapped. Okay, so zoom in. So you click on this area. Shortcut is 3 on your keyboard. Click on area so to map the building. So make sure you don't overlap on any other building or any other object. Double click it and you're done. So click on, let's add another one. The one you are not sure of very well, you can just leave it like this one. If I'm not sure of it, I could map it. Then if I'm not sure of it, I could click it here and delete it. Or if I mapped it wrongly, then this, you could map this. Since you have made 2 edits, so let's tag those edits you have made. So you see that they are white, not been tagged, so you have to tag them. Click on them, click on tag here, we tag them together, and since they are building, click on building, click on this one as well, click on building. So if you are adding a road too or anything, you could add a road using line. So you could just add the road. If you see a road that not been mapped, add this line. So that's just an example. I delete it out. Then you tag it too as well as a road, major road, minor road. So let's delete it. So you see you have made 2 edits. So let's upload it out. If you don't upload it, it won't be added to the work done. So let's add it, and this tag. Then you leave this and you click on upload. So immediately it has uploaded. So if you are not done, come here, is click no, not done with this map, or you want to split it. Then you could contribute more. Click any of this one again to contribute, or click any other one to contribute again. So thank you very much guys.